Hi, I'm Tommy. This is my English blog. I live in Tokyo in Japan. Here, this is my new microwave. Before microwave broken, before microwaves following new microwave. This is a little big and wide, and this is simple, and this is white, and this is have many use pattern type. I'm excited and a little nervous new, but I use this. I like this. It's very simple. Okay, just that's all. This is Panasonic Japanese brand. Okay, that's all. I don't have microwave, very not good, but I have microwave. This is strong microwave. A little a little but maybe very strong. It's a little dangerous. Maybe I use very carefully. Okay, but microwave is very good. Do you have microwave, or what do you? How do you use microwave? For example, toast bread or warm something, or make bread, or make some dish. What do you use? How do you use? Many use have. Okay, that's all. And maybe Japanese situation. I introduce my Japanese situation. Maybe Japan begin clear lockdown tomorrow, May 25. Maybe government decides clear lockdown. Maybe in Tokyo, this is big happen. And maybe Japan is change. Though I don't see imagination now, but this is very good things. Japan has decreased new corona positive people. Very positive situation. This is very positive situation. Okay, that's all. How about your country? Lockdown is clear over, or now being and now doing? Okay, goodbye. I hope your country is better. Good.